The 2025 governor elections for New Jersey and Virginia are probably going to reveal some very damning information about the political future, not just of our country as a whole, but of those two states. Reason as to why I say this is because New Jersey has been shifting rightwards tremendously recently. Virginia has actually been taking a bit of a shift to the left. New Jersey, Kamala only won by 5.9, she won Virginia by 5.8, but you look at Virginia, and it used to be a solid Republican state. That's now really trending away. New Jersey going a bit of the opposite direction. It's trending right. Now New Jersey has a Democratic trifecta. I don't think the Republicans are going to get the legislators. Same in Virginia. Virginia 2021, the governorship flipped red, and so did the House, but then the House flipped back to being Democratic in 2023. I guess it's possible, but New Jersey seems more likely to flip right now. It's obviously both in favor to go to Democrats, but Republicans have a better chance of winning New Jersey than they do Virginia. And I really think that, looking at the future of political campaigns, we're going to think of New Jersey as a bit of a swing state and not Virginia. I don't think New Jersey is going to be a swing state anytime soon, but it could be a state that Republicans could try and target in certain elections, whereas Virginia, I think, is going to be a state that if they haven't stopped targeting already, they're going to stop targeting soon. Because we already saw in 2020, Virginia went blue by 10 points and was the biggest victory for a Democrat since 1944 in the state, which meant that it was a bigger victory than 1948 when it was still when the solid South was still Democrat, but Truman can only win Virginia by 6.8%, and it was even bigger than 1964 when Democrats only won it by 7.4% in the midst of a nationwide landslide victory for the Democrats, and they still could not get to Virginia by over 10%. And 2008 was the first time that Virginia votes Democrat since 64, but in that election, it's still to the right of the nation. And 2012 was exactly in line with the nation. By 2016, the state is now left of the nation as it votes for Clinton by 5.3%, and then we saw what happened in 2020. Meanwhile, you look at New Jersey, and that's a state that, 1992 it flipped blue after going red the previous 6 cycles. But, still to the right of the nation. And then what happened in 1996, obviously New Jersey goes from being Democrat plus 2 to Democrat plus 16. And it's kind of been out of reach. But now it's starting to become more in reach for the Republican Party. Again, I think that Democrats win both races, but I think that New Jersey's are more likely to flip than Virginia. I think both races should be decently competitive and close. And I am a little bit excited to see what happens.